How's things, everybody? This is a video just to show you how to change the start button on your Whirlpool washing machine. They're known for going to kind of break inside the machine, behind the panel. It's not a difficult fix, to be honest. I've come across a lot of machines that people have thrown out and it can be repaired. It just needs to be replaced. You get them for about, with postage, maybe 10 euro, 10 or 12 euro with postage, so it's worth fixing. So anyway, I'll give you a quick demo on how to fix it. This machine actually had that problem. This start button there was broken. So I just put in a different one and tested, and everything's ready to go. So look, I'll just show you a few things on this machine, and I'll show you I have another board that's the same. I'll continue with that because I don't want to be interfering with this too much, considering it's tests and stuff. So look, first things first, you take off your lid, which there's 2 screws at the back, one here, and you'll have 3 screws inside here. 1, 2, 3. When you've the lid off, or the screws off the lid, you take off the lid, take out your soap drawer here, you just pull it out, and there's a little, you push the tab in the middle, pull it out, and in behind my finger here on the other side of the board, and over here, there's little clips that hold the board onto the machine. You just push them to each side and it comes off. I'll just show you there fast anyway, okay? I actually have the screws out on this machine, just to make the video a bit quicker. In this particular machine there were Torx head screwdrivers. Sometimes you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Other times they're 5.5 mil, not 6, not 5, a 5.5, just to be awkward. Screw that holds, especially the board in place. So on this one, I'm lucky enough, it's just a Torx head T20 size. So as I said, I have the screws out. Just remember where they go after as well. So I'll just show you fast. Okay, the screws are out of the back here. Just lift the back of the lid. Should come out. Comes away. Okay. Put it somewhere that you don't lose it. Obviously you won't lose the lid, but put it somewhere that it won't be in the way, we'll say. Soap drawer just slides out. Push that tab I was saying. Out she comes, okay? Put that somewhere again, safe. Preferably on the ground, you don't want it at a height because if it falls it'll break. It's 3 screws I was on about. 1, 2, 3, take them out. These are Torx heads, as I said. It could be 5.5 or Phillips, and they're Torx head in this for me, which was good. You have another screw here. Okay, another screw here. I have them all out now, okay? In behind here, as I said, there's a little clip. You just push them to the side and the board will come loose. I'll just show you now. Push the clip to the side, board's loose, and the same this side you can actually push the board this way and you come loose, okay? That exposes the back of your PCB board. I'm not going to do much more with this one because, as I said, it's tested and I don't want to be going out wiring and everything else. So I'll just pick up the other board I have just to give you a demonstration of how to change the button. So yeah, that's what you'll see when you open it. Sometimes that won't be there, sometimes that, if it was a basic model of these, it's just this you'll have, but okay, anyway, I'll show you the story anyway with this particular type. So yeah, I'll just close that up again, just for a second anyway. I'll just put on the lid, so I'll use this as my bench to show you. Okay, put on your lid, put on the front first, drops down at the back, put in your screws of course, this is obviously when you're finished. So look, I'm just going to use this as a tester, okay. Actually, we've even loosened a bit. You'll have 4 lugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, holding this in place. Okay, just before you take it out, just have the machine in a position you remember. So like off position, for example, here. I always leave it off because when you put this back on, it'll line up, you know. Or sorry, this won't move. Like, you know, when you're fixing it, just remember where it goes. So that when this goes back on, it will go to the right position. So what you do is you just pop these with a flathead screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you also pop these. These are a bit more tricky, but I've them loose now just to make the video a bit short. But so anyway, these are popped already. So I'll just grab the flathead there. Okay, I'll put them down here just to make so you might see it better. Okay, so pop. Okay, pop, pop, and pop this side as well. Okay, you just take it off like so. Second out. Back into place. Come here. If I wanted that to happen, I wouldn't. But anyway, okay, that's off, okay? Put that to one side. You can leave your wiring in place in the machine if it'll stretch that long enough. Say if you're taking off. If you do ever have to take off wiring, make sure you take pictures of where every wire goes so you don't get it wrong after. This then comes off, this part. A bit trickier, as I said. There's little clips in here. 2, 3, and 4 again. They're a bit trickier. You just push a little tiny little black tab behind the white holder that's holding on in place, and it'll just slip down. Okay, so that's off. exposing your buttons here. That it's always here it breaks. Bad design, of course. So take out your buttons, which is this little clip here holding you in place. Push that to the side, and these will slide up. Okay. And what you do then is you just put your new buttons back in where the push to the side, that's them slide up. Okay. Some people think that these other buttons will do. On this side they won't. They don't match up because they don't really be used much. The rapid and when they do, I suppose rapid and delay start. But anyway, order your proper buttons. Obviously, then order your new buttons. Let's presume these are your new buttons. They just slide back into its little housing out here. Push it back in like that. You hear click into place. Back on this board first. Doesn't really matter which way you do it. And then obviously this board here as well. Put that back on as well. Making sure all the wiring is still in place and put it back together the way I showed you there earlier. You know. Yeah, that's it. I hope it's a helpful video. 10 minutes you'll have a fix, so I think it's worthwhile fixing, to be honest. 10-15 minutes and the parts for €10. So yeah, that's it. If you've any questions or anything, just feel free to comment. I'm on the page a lot, really, the YouTube page, for other reasons, and so yeah, if I can help in any way, I will. If you have questions about different types of appliances or anything else, just one other thing: make sure you plug out your appliance before you do any work. Very, very important to keep safe. Yeah, I just remember where all the screws go, and if you are taking out wiring, remember where all that goes. Some people watch the videos but forget to subscribe, and I don't blame them, as in they get their information and they don't need the page anymore. But just I'd like to ask you if you wouldn't mind subscribing, because I'm just trying to get just to get the channel to grow a bit, and subscriptions does that, you know. So listen, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. And yeah, have a good day, and thanks again. Take care, and thank you. Bye bye.